Hello, this is Shep and Mr. Nick here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. We've got our 1955 MGTF up on the rack. Good place to start is just a curbside view just of the lower part of the car, and then we'll jump into the underside. But I just want to show off how clean that metal is and how fantastic the paint is. You're not seeing drip lines or any sort of cracking or poor prep on that paint, any signs of that. A few little rock chips. You can focus in on that. They're pretty small, but they're there on the outer lip. One thing that we noticed when we put this up is that one of the axle spacers was missing, and so we're not going to drive this, but we'll just lower it on the ground. But we'll have two new spacers. They just fit on the underside of that axle strap and gets wedged right in there, and that's just for correct spacing. So one was missing. We'll get the other ones. We'll get two new ones built and installed, so ask us about that if that work was completed. But taking a look under here, the wood is in good shape. The wood that is here, no swelling of the wood or cracking. Rear axle, other than the spacers, are tight, no oil drips. We do have stainless exhaust that runs throughout the car. Drum brakes in the back, but no signs of leaking oil back there out of those wheel cylinders. Frame is in really good shape. We'll keep looking at that, but the wood floorboards, again, just solid all the way through. Rocker panels, that wood is in good shape. Nick's blown away at all the wood underneath this car. Like, what the heck is going on here? But it's a British 55, but that wood is in really, as I mentioned, just solid stout shape. Doesn't need to be replaced whatsoever. Yeah, really simple but gorgeous. Beautiful on the underside, beautiful on the top side, and it is a true pleasure to drive around. All your axle boots are in tip-top shape, no cracking. So there's a quick look. Looks like we did get into some road tar on the underside, but all that metal's in just tip-top shape. So there's a little bit more of that road tar. Must have hit some construction. So very solid car. Beautiful to look at, beautiful to drive, and certainly no issues on the underside. So I just wanted to give you a quick peek of that. We've got some photos to share as well. I'm Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. I can be reached at 208-721-1973.
Or you can reach out to Nick at 563-676-8225. Thanks for watching.